Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to perform one activity from Chapter 1 Crop Production and Management. Name of the activity is Seed Sowing. It is one of the agricultural practices. Cultivation of crops involves several techniques and activities followed by farmers when seeds are sown and crops are harvested and stored. These activities are collectively termed as agricultural practices. Some techniques which are involved in the agricultural practices are preparation of soil, selection and sowing of seed, addition of manure and fertilizer, irrigation, protection from weeds and pests, harvesting, threshing and winnowing, and lastly, the storage. First of all, we will search for a piece of land. Secondly, we will need some tools for the preparation of the soil. One of the gardening experts of our school is teaching our students how to handle the tools. Now it is the turn of our student to show their skills. They are loosening and turning the soil. They are breaking and crushing the crumbs of soil. They are also uprooting the weeds, which are the very important procedure in preparation of the soil. At the same time, few students are collecting the bricks for making the boundary of our mini crop field. Selection of seed is very important. We must be careful about the seeds which we are going to sow. The seed should be of good quality, means they should be healthy, disease free, and clean. Finally, it's time for the students to sow the seeds one by one. The factors must be considered while sowing the seeds, that seeds should be sown at the right depth. If they are too close to the surface, they may be eaten by birds. And if they are sown too deep, they may be deprived of air. Also, proper spacing should be there so that when the seedlings grow, they should not compete for nutrients, water, and sunlight. Seeds can be sown by two methods. First, broadcasting, and second, seed drill. Our students are sowing the seeds by broadcasting method, means they are simply scattering the seeds by hand on a leveled field. We still have some space in our mini crop field, so rest of the students who are left, they must contribute in sowing of the seed one by one. A good crop yield requires availability of right amount of water. Plants can absorb minerals and fertilizers only in the presence of water. Seeds do not germinate in the absence or scarcity of water. Hence, agricultural fields needed to be watered regularly. The supply of water to agricultural fields at regular intervals is called irrigation. The source of water for irrigation could be a rainfall, wells, tube wells, canal, lakes, river, etc. There are various traditional and modern methods of irrigation. So, after sowing of the seeds, it is very important to water them properly. Here we can see that seeds are too close to the surface as they may be eaten up by the birds. So now we are going to put loose soils over the exposed seeds to cover them properly. It is very good to see that students have successfully sown the seeds, but at the same time, they have contaminated their hands with the germs. So, whenever we sow the seeds or prepare the soil for the same, we must wear gloves, or if not, then we must wash our hand properly with the soap or hand wash and thoroughly with the water. This activity was performed by the enthusiast students of class 8 under the guidance of very sincere students of class 11th bio, science teacher and expert gardener of our school.